Hi, Lindsay with Wall Decal World. So we are down here in downtown Mason, where we are located, and we've done a number of different projects for all of our neighbors through the Mason Mile here. And so we just thought we're gonna pop by and kind of showcase some different projects we've done so you can see the different variety of decals we can make for you. Okay, so here at the Mental Health Recovery Board for our county, we made a 4-foot die cut decal. So we've just got their circle part of their logo die cut and then the lettering die cut. And this is like a really popular size for reception areas and walls like this. Today we're here at Badge's Drum Shop, and they do drums. And we did gold lettering to the window. And then usually I would recommend white, but since they had a cool backing of a drum, they wanted black, and I think it pops really cool. And then we've got their storefront hours in gold. Again, that color pops really good. White is great, but gold looks really good here too. And then we just kind of kept it going over here. And these are gonna last well. They aren't gonna fade because they're just stock colors. So that is best if you can do that, just so that it'll last really forever. Okay, so we installed here the window. It's our perforated material, so it's the material that has little holes so you can see out, but then it gives you some privacy in. And then, so that's about 9 foot. And then we did their die cut white lettering for their front door, and then the little info thing next to it. All right, now we're at the Common Beer Company. This is kind of a unique use for a decal. So this is a metal sign. And then we actually designed this too for them. You know, they gave us their logo and wanted it to be happy hour, but I kind of helped piece it together. So they can take this in, if it's bad weather, bring it out. And then they've got it on both sides too, just kind of showcasing and advertising their happy hour. Come on. Okay, we're at our neighbor below us, Hey Suburbia Records, and we did this little black die cut, welcome to the burbs, and then just their labels of their different records that they sell in just a simple black font. Okay, found this cute little place. Just kidding, it's ours. Wall Decal World. So we made this front door decal with our logo and our info, and then we also just did our little mailbox too. And then I just wanted to point out we did these little Make the Mile to how our community is doing some redevelopment, and so all the businesses that are participating in the revival of our downtown, we did all these little decals for our chamber. Okay, and now we're inside Wall Decal World, where we make all the decals happen. So we've just got a little simple text. We print anything sticky, as we do. And then over here, this is kind of like our backdrop for where we do our Friday roundup. And this is kind of fun, like lots of places like to do this little repeating pattern. So we did that, and then our main logo in color. And then over here, we've got just kind of our About Us. So this is all die cut lettering, and then just some photos above it. And then over here, we've got, this is actually our wall wrap material. So you could use this for like wallpaper panels. We just kind of use it for a rectangle to showcase us installing some decals. All right, we're over here at Touchstone. And again, here we used our wall wrap material. So if you're gonna do big panels, this is kind of that reusable material that we use. So we did that here. And then if you look up, they kind of did their logo in 3 big panels that we did up high up there. And then still over here at Touchstone, so we did this is actually etched glass. So etched glass is pretty popular for like offices. And then over here, this is a decal that we applied to glass. I think you can hardly even tell it is a decal. And you can just apply it to glass, kind of like we saw over at Common where they applied it to a metal surface. Just kind of gives you another option and surface to apply decals to. All right, so this is Andrew. He is my right-hand man in business and life. He was the one doing all the video work. So likely if you're working with Wall Decal World, you're talking to one of us. And thanks for coming along on the Mason walk with us.